Hey guys, so we had this avocados ripening at the same time in the village, so I have decided to make some avocado oil. I know it won't be that much because the avocados were not well ripened, or they were not ready, they were a bit young. So yeah, instead of throwing them away, let me see the amount of oil that I can get. So after, it's simple. After washing, you just cut them and blend them, and because I don't have a blender, I'll be using a fork. So yeah, I'll put them in the sufuria, all of them, and then afterwards we'll go to the next step, which is boiling or just cooking on low heat. So I'll be using a jiko, because a jiko I can be able to control the heat so that I have the lowest heat possible. And guys, this is for topical use, so I'll use this one for my hair. Yes, and yeah, let's see. So another alternative is you can use the sun to dry them up, but it's been raining. So far it's been raining, so there's not much sun to be able to dry it, and yeah, I was not able to dry, so we're going to use the heat method. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the video and you get to try it out at home. At this point, when it gets brownish, evenly brown, you squeeze out the oil. So I'm using the current Uhuru bags. If you have a cheesecloth, you can use that one. And yeah, I got about 100 ml of the oil, and you'll see it at the end of the video. So thank you so much for coming, and thank you for watching my video to the end. I hope that it has been beneficial to you, and see you in my next video. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't. Bye.